Bonjour et bienvenue à Genius French class. Hi everyone, welcome back to our video. As we all know, vowels and consonants are two types of speech sounds that are combined to create words in many languages, including French and English. In this video, we will be discussing the pronunciation of letters and sounds that might be challenging for French language learners. In today's focus, we are going to answer the following question. How do we pronounce the following sounds un, on, and on? Let's start with the first one, un. Approximately as in the word slang, all the three sounds are nasal. The air is being released through both the nose and the mouth. The sound is written or found in too many different forms. Here are some examples. Voisin, impossible, peinture, pain, fin, syndicat, sympathique, un, moyen. The last two examples are exceptions. We'll discuss them separately. The second sound is on, approximately as in the word font. The sound on is written or found in many different forms. Here are some examples. Enfant, ton, tante, champagne, chambre. The third sound, on, approximately as in the word wrong. The sound on is written or found in the following forms. On, on. Here are examples. Garçon, comprendre, action. Here, an expanded list to practice the pronunciation of the three sounds. Pont, don, bonjour, comptable, compléter, ensemble, membre, lampe, plan, France, convaincre, ceinture, gamin.